What's up, creatives? How you guys doing? Hope you're having a good week. Steve here from Globotel again, and back with another one of our COVID-19 quickies. Just short little video tips that we're adding for people in our CCC and on our new YouTube channel. Today's tip all about understanding the blessing of time that we've got. So obviously this lockdown is not ideal, and a lot of us have free time on hands, and of course most of us are spending binge watching or playing games, Xbox. If you are on there, Citizen Gonzo, come join me. If you are looking for things to do and to improve your business, which you really should be, I mean, we've got the blessing of time right now. We've got time to do things. I really want to encourage you, really want to encourage you to start broadening yourself out of just the world of copywriting. So quick background about me. I was a freelance journalist for many years, working at various magazines, FHM, Blunt magazine, a whole bunch of different magazines. And so I was in a boat very similar to a lot of freelancers out there, where work was sort of few and far between every now and again, big job, small job, but the recurring monthly jobs, but a lot of free time on my hands. What I did over the period of about 10 to 15 years of being a freelancer was I spent a lot of time just figuring stuff out on my own, just when I just had the time, because I was interested, but also because I wanted to understand other parts of the digital marketing world. That's how I learned Photoshop. That's how I learned WordPress. There's a whole bunch of different tools that I learned during that time, video editing, that sort of thing, all learned while I was a freelance writing journalist. I wasn't anything else other than that, photography, videography, that sort of thing. Now, I wouldn't be able to successfully design or videography my way out of a writer's meeting at any sort of good digital agency or advertising agency today. But I do know the very ground basics of Photoshop, WordPress. I can build a pretty decent website, all because I just spent that time learning it when I had the time. Use this lockdown period to learn at least the very basics of Photoshop, WordPress, whatever it is. In future COVID-19 videos, and maybe I'll do bigger, longer ones for the YouTube channel, I'll give you guys some tips and some tools that you can use that will get you at least on the pathway towards learning these tools. Why is it so important you learn these tools? Well, if you're writing content for a client and you're doing website content or a blog, it's really helpful to write that content with the frame that somebody's going to have to design this content. Somebody's going to actually have to work it out and put it onto a website backend through a WordPress editor. Or they're going to have to actually design an advert around your one-line tagline that you've come up with for a brand. So it will make you a better writer. Trust me, it'll make you a better writer. Go out, figure it out. Photoshop, in particular, I'd learn Photoshop, just the absolute basics. You don't have to learn Photoshop, you can learn GIMP. There's a whole bunch of free tools out there now. But WordPress as well, I'd really encourage you to learn WordPress. I'll do a longer video on this in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll check you in the Copywriting Co Collective on Facebook, link down in the description, or we'll check you on YouTube. Come join us. Please subscribe, like, share this with anybody who you feel might benefit as well, and we'll see you soon.